when you think about it, what we achieve in life is often thanks to other people. So people can shape our lives so much, but I know that many, including myself, struggle with turning those short encounters here and there into actual relationships and friendships, and also business opportunities. So we meet someone, we exchange a few emails or messages, never hear from each other again, and they might have mentioned they will need your help in the future, but you have no system in place to follow up, so you both just forget, and this opportunity has been missed. So how can we get better at this? How can we get better at keeping in touch? If you're in B2B specifically, of course, the sales cycle is very long, and someone might not need your service or product until next year or 2 years down the line. All this to say, my LinkedIn connections are a complete mess. So when the founder of a CRM called Clay, Zach, reached out to me and asked if I want to take a look at their new official Notion integration, congrats, Zach, I had to take a look and share this with you. So in this video, I want to give you a little glimpse into this CRM and their integration, because I do everything in Notion. I'm a Notion ambassador. I plan all of my marketing campaigns at Magic Design here. I write SEO content, brain dump ideas, prepare for meetings. So having all of my connections in Notion too, it would be really cool, and I want to show you why. Okay, so first things first, this is Clay. We are in the home tab right now. You can see a few welcome notifications, and I've already connected my LinkedIn, and I've also connected Clay with Notion. And this is the welcome page in Notion that you get when you connect the accounts. And you also get your Clay contacts database that I opened here. So these are all of my LinkedIn connections with their profile image. Here's an example, Ashley. You see the job title from LinkedIn, the location, the city, the country, and the pipeline status as well. And if I go back to the Notion page, I also can see free use cases that they have pre-built for you. So the birthday dashboard, the address book, and the team CRM, which is really cool. So they have already made a view for like leads and contact negotiating, won and lost. And you can use that to track your leads as well with your team, which is pretty cool. So why is the integration so cool? For example, I add all of my contacts from email, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and more to Notion. And I can see them all in this Clay contacts database. And this is pretty cool because I can reference people in other Notion pages by tagging them. And then my colleagues can go into the profile of this person and see if I've left any notes, what the lead status is, etc. So let me just tag, for example, 𝗲𝗲𝗍𝗀, she's in my contacts, so you can see Clay contacts and 𝗲𝗲𝗍𝗀, and then I can write a note or anything and go into her profile, or my colleague can go into her profile, go to Clay even to get a more detailed view and check her LinkedIn profile, see the pipeline status, etc., add more information, enrich the database. Also, I can use Notion AI to ask questions about my networks. For example, I can ask, who do I know who does website optimization in Berlin? And then it gives me a list of people that are connected with me that I can reach out to if I need some help. Some other features of Clay in general are that I can set reminders or like cadence of how often I want to follow up with certain people, and Clay will notify me then. So for example, let's say again, 𝗲𝗲𝗍𝗀, I can right click and then set reconnect cadence. And then I can choose weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, or automatic, which Clay will then suggest just for me to follow up. With their AI integration as well, which you can find here, it's called Nexus. I can also ask questions like, I'm hosting an event called Notion for Marketers. Who should I invite as a speaker, or who should I invite as a guest? And it can suggest me some people as well for inspiration, which is already very helpful. Also, you can ask the AI to summarize information about a person from their LinkedIn profile, for example, to prepare for a meeting with them, which can be very helpful. So I think it's very exciting, and I can't wait to see how this will change my following up connections mess on LinkedIn. And if you want, you can give it a try with their 14-day free trial. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Congrats, Zach, on a launch again. It's so cool that there is an integration now with Notion, and it's super seamless. So I can't wait to see what comes in the future, what new features will be built. I hope this video was interesting to you, and let me know in the comments what you think. Bye!